अभी तक हमने क्या सीखा? जस्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज क्लास? Class is a factory which generates objects. When will a class generate object? When I write new keyword followed by class name, it will generate object. जैसे new followed by class name with parenthesis. It sends request to the class and class will generate object. Where object is created? Object is created on RAM. Every time object is created, what goes to the object? Every time object is created, only non-static member goes to the object. Question is, this is a very good question. Will static member go to the object? No, static member doesn't go to the object. Anything in object to be accessed, be used reference variable dot member name. Anything present in object we can access using reference variable dot member name is equal to 10. So this is object created on RAM and non-static member is in object non-static. How we can access this non-static variable? Reference variable with class name. जैसे SOP system dot out dot println short form SOP A1 dot I. A1 क्या है? रेफरेंस वेरिएबल. रेफरेंस वेरिएबल डॉट आई. आई क्या है? नॉन स्टेटिक मेंबर. नॉन स्टेटिक member and non-static member goes to the object and anything present in object can be accessed only via reference variable dot member name. So if you want the access anything within an object, you can't directly access it. Anything present in object, we cannot directly access that variable. Here I created a class, I declared a variable and initialize value is equal to 10. Here I created main method. क्या है? main method which is static and static doesn't go to the object. Here I created object using new keyword. Here new keyword followed by class name. Once object is created, only non-static member goes to the object. Non-static member. Once object is created, only non-static member goes to the object. And this is variable. Here I created a reference variable A1 is equal to new A. So this is non-static member present in the object. How we can access? Using reference variable dot member name SOP A dot I. So output will be 10. Every time I used new keyword, what happens? Every time we are going to use a new keyword in our program, in that case an object is created on the RAM. Every time an object is created, what goes to the object? Only non-static member goes to the object. What is class? Class is a factory which generates objects. Always keep that in mind. What do we need to keep in mind? Program will start executing from main method. Point number 1. Point number 2. That's the starting point of execution in Java. always when you creating a class, make sure there is a main method, because that's the point where execution will start. Without main method, we can't execute our program. That's all guys in today's lecture. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.